how to manage your photos on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your photos on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click this three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now go down and here you will find this one, activity log. Click on it and click here, and then click photos and videos, and here you can manage your photos and videos. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.